Welcome back to another episode of Building Outbound, where I break down things that will help SDR managers build a successful outbound team. In today's topic, I am going to cover what is the best time to call your US prospects and how to design your call blocks around them. If your sales reps are calling the prospects in the US in a random order with no set time blocks, then they should have a measurable impact on the connect rates and the number of conversations they are having. Ideally, you may have about 4%, maximum maybe about 5% connect rates. So the best strategy when you're calling US prospects is simple. Design your call blocks around the times when the prospects are most likely to pick up and respond. So which are these hours around which you need to set up your call blocks? We did an analysis in our Klenty Labs series, and this is what we found. According to our data, the best time to call US prospects is during 7 to 8 a.m., which is when we saw about 5% meeting book rate. After that, here are a few other windows where we found about 3 to 4% meeting book rate. From 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., from 11 to 12 p.m., then from 4 to 5 p.m., even at 9 to 10 p.m. So if you want good connects and conversations, this is where your call block should live. The calls should not be scattered across the day, but they should be concentrated around these particular hours. But even after designing our call blocks around these time zones, my reps saw marginal increase in connect rates and conversations. The reason being, my reps were placing the dials during those hours, but not exactly during the prospect's time zone. So I realized that knowing the best time to call is only half the problem. Calling in the prospect's time zone and the area code that you use to call the prospects are actually the bigger problems to solve as well. So how do you ensure that each of your reps is calling the prospects by sorting them according to their time zone and also using the right numbers with the area codes to call them? So we used to tag all the prospects according to time zones and then sort them during every call block, and then for every dial we used to manually rotate the numbers. Naturally, my reps struggled with this. This slowed their calling velocity and impacted the number of conversations they had. That was until we built Connect AI. With Connect AI, the calling list is automatically organized by the prospect's time zone, and every dial goes out from the right local area code without the rep managing any of it. By aligning our call blocks around the hours prospects actually pick up, actually helped my reps improve their connect rates up to 12 to 15% for the prospects in the US. Fix your call blocks, calling prioritization list, and call using the right numbers, and you will be able to improve connect rates with your US prospects. See you in the next one.